Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Thelma's Creations and more. So glad that you stopped by my channel to see what I've been up to. So this is another edition of the August Assembly Line Junk Journal Challenge from, from Dear Julie. Today we'll be making 9 ruffles, 9 ruffled embellishments. So what I did was I went through my my stash, my craft supplies that I have here at home, and I remembered that I had bought this trim right here from Rosa Cala on YouTube, and I know that they do sell some like this also at Hobby Lobby. Well, I have bought some pink, this baby pink, and some white one from Rosa Cala, like this right here. And so I said, hey, I don't have to sew. I can sew if I want to, but I didn't. And I made this size, well, a sample, and then I made them both that size, and then I decided to cut them in half because we are going to be eventually, almost, starting to decorate the journals, right? Let me zoom up a little bit. Sorry about that. Oops. Oh my goodness, Thelma, what are you doing? There we go. So I thought that I would leave some long so that if I wanted to put them on a page edge, I can do that. Or I can put them across this way and decorate the page that way. Or I can put them on a tag or just some, oh, excuse me, some journaling paper or something like that. See, I can put them on a cute little tag. And, a tag, and it would look really cute. Or I can just decorate the page that way. So I made these as samples, and I'm gonna make 6 more so that you can see. I already pre-cut the trims that I'm going to use. Some of them it's gonna have one, like these. I layered 2 things on top of it. So I'm gonna zoom in so that we can start working. I hope you have made some time in your day. My goodness, I think, yeah, there we go. Let's go back. Okay, I will be using Fabric Tech. Let's see if that will work. Oh wait, yeah, it's this side. I'm going to be using Fabric Tech to glue down the trim. The trim, this white one and the pink one, this ruffled one, is from Rosa Cala. I bought it from her on one of her sales she has. Oops, she had on YouTube. Oh my goodness, it's sticking to me. And I know that you can also get it at Hobby Lobby because I purchased some of it there as well. The trim that I'm putting on top of the ruffled one, like this purple trim, I got from Michaels. You could see my haul video here on my YouTube channel. I bought a big old clump of 50 assorted trims from, I'm going to let this dry, I'm going to put it up here, from Michaels. This one as well, and I'm using them. I bought them because I knew I had to finish these journals up, and they were perfect. The colors match perfectly to them. There are a lot of pastels, and so I bought them at a great price. At least I thought. Regular price was $10. I had a 20% off coupon, so it was $8 plus tax. But like I said, it had 50 pieces of trim. Some of them were doubled up. Some of them were the same ones, but that's okay. Each piece was a yard. And I think it was a great price because for $8 you won't get a lot of variety if you buy them even half off at Hobby Lobby, because every roll will be like $2, $4. half off would be 2 or 1, and you would only get 4, and then you wouldn't get the priority that I got. So here's another one. And I did them all whole like that, and then I'll go back once they're dry, and it dries really quick because it's with Fabric Tech. See, this also came in the pack. It was some ribbon and thinner ribbon. But all these colors, like I said, are represented in the junk journal kit. You will hear noise. I'm sure you're going to hear the conversations going on here at the house. What could I do? It's a normal household, right? Okay, so I put that down, and then I'm going to put this on top, and I think it'll just make it pop, make the colors pop. But since this is thin, I'm going to actually put it on the ribbon itself because I don't want it to be messy. I like my projects to be nice and neat. People have told me I'm a perfectionist when it comes to my crafting, and I agree. I like everything to be nice and neat. I do like it to be precise. I do. What could I say? If I like it for me, that way, when I do projects for customers or my clients, or for other people, I am even more of a perfectionist because I like it to be nice and neat, presentable. I mean, right? When we go to the store, I mean, if you like a blouse or a dress or anything for that matter, a lettuce or a piece of meat, you're not going to get the one that's all banged up and oozing, you know, stuff everywhere, and people have touched it, and you can see fingerprints, or you could see that it's dirty, or you're gonna look at it like, oh no, this one's cleaner, right? Or this one's not dirty, or this is not wrinkled, or whatever. Here's another one. So that's how I look at my crafting. Like, we want everything nice and neat. So this is the last one. So I'm loving using up my things. I love to get, oops, oh my goodness, all sorts of trims in Happy Mail. I don't mind if they're used, if they're bought at thrift stores, if they're bought in estate sales. I have a friend that will buy things, and she will purposely buy, like, let's say a blouse that has lace on it, and then she'll take it apart, and use a lace and send me a piece, and I love that. So this one I could put the strip of glue down, or the line of glue down, I should say, not strip, because the ribbon was thicker, and I'm seeing that I put it crooked here, and I don't like that. Give me a second, and let me correct it before it dries. There we go, much better. And so I'm going to zoom out, guys. I try to remember to tell you because I'm one of those people that gets sick with motion sickness sometimes, not all the time, depending on how my migraine situation is going on. But so I like to give you a fair warning. Sometimes I have noticed that I just move it, and I'm sorry about that. I'm going to try to be more vigilant about that. So I am going to have 3 of these long strips. So I want, I think I like this one for the edge. Well, yeah, these 3 are going to be for edges. So they're going to stay as is. This one right here is going to be cut in half. So making sure that this one, my parents, they're so funny sometimes. Anyway, here we go. Fold these in half, kind of look, and cut in between the little ruffles. There we go. Make sure the edge is straight. Like I said, nice and presentable. So here we go. There we go. So that's 3. There's 6 right there. 7, 8, 9 ruffle embellishments for my journals. They were quick and easy. I didn't have to use the sewing machine because I had the ruffle little, this thing here, the trim that was already ruffled, and then so I took advantage of the little middle part here and then just used ribbon and trims that I already had here at home and put them together, and they came out really cute. I love that. I love it so much because look, if I wanted to use this on top, let me bring it up. Let's say I want to even decorate in the middle here. Well, let me see. Let me use a different color so it could pop out. There we go. If I wanted to use this right here, and I have a sticker, I put the sticker there, and look at that. Beautiful. It just makes it pop, right? Now let me take this one, put it here in the middle, and again, the same sticker, but the different color combinations, it just makes it pop. It would be great. I have a, this is a little word saying, it says God is love. Well, we'll cover that up, so I wouldn't use that one. I would probably use this one as a sticker. There we go. I can put that there and it makes it pop. So I love these. Here's another type of sticker. I can put it on the side and put this here. You can still see the trim. You can still see the sticker. What else do I have up here? This is another one. I can put it here and it makes it look really cute. I'm grabbing things from this little bowl I have with stickers. And I can put that there and it looks great. Just different ones work, except my theme or the kit that I'm using has a lot of butterflies, so I can use flowers. I can use, oh, I like that, butterflies and stuff like that. What else do I have in here? Is there a butterfly one? No, these are birds. I don't think I have any more butterfly ones because I've been using it. How about this one right here? Somebody had gifted me these. These are from Dollar Tree and they're, oops, I'm sorry about that. I hit the holder. This one's going to be a whole one. Oh, this one has to be the other one. Okay. So, these make great bag toppers if you don't want to, you know, use them for journals. You can put them on tags, on the side, on the top, on the bottom. I mean, there's endless possibilities. So, thought I'd come on here and share with you my progress of my journal. And I believe, let me double check my list. Page pockets, yes. Ruffles, clusters. Yes, I finally finished all the embellishments. And I can start putting my signatures together. So stay tuned to my channel because that's what I will be doing next, is putting my signatures together. Signatures are the actual journals. 3 and 3. There we go. So these are my 9 ruffled embellishments for the August 79 Junk Journal Challenge of Julie. And so, stay tuned to my channel because now what I have to do is put together the pages, which I already have them put together. I will show you how they look. And then I will be sewing them together so that they are together, and then you can come along the journey of putting all the embellishments that we have inside the journal and having them come together. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. Give me a thumbs up if you like it. Any questions or concerns, put them down in the comment section. I'll get back to you. I hope you find some time in your day to do some crafting. Bye guys. Happy crafting.